2 simple bowls, which you can examine and find them perfectly ordinary.
We did do that.
My magic teacher, Eugene Berger, says that magic is not so much a puzzle to be solved, but it's also a mystery to be experienced. And now I present my favorite piece of magical theater. The Rainmaker.
Jeff. We've been fans of yours as long as you've been a team. Way back in New York City, we were watching you work. Let's first tell people a little something about what they just saw here. the word illusion is thrown around very sloppily in magic. You know, there should be these real terms of art and delineations. This really is an illusion because we can tell you absolutely, honestly, there's nothing gimmicked about those bowls. There's nothing gimmicked about the water. There's nothing gimmicked about your sleeve or your outfit or nothing. As a matter of fact, there is nothing gimmicked anywhere. It is just an illusion. It is illusion done so beautifully that there absolutely is nothing to bust. It's your entire routine. You created it. And still, there's another way to put nothing to bust, and that is, Jeff, you fooled us, man.